In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very trendy jewelry back dori or back cord or tassel, whatever you call it. This is adjustable and really pretty. Hi, I'm Shobori from hookedandloops.com. I make various kind of crafts in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications, and don't forget to like, share and comment. So we will begin. We will take embroidery floss. I have used red colored embroidery floss. We will also need black colored embroidery floss as I am using two different colors in this back jewelry. Take the string and measure it up to 70 centimeter, and then we will cut it out using any cutter or scissors. We will take three such pieces. We will take three such strings of 70 centimeter each, and we will stick one end of the three strings to any fixed surface using sellotape. We will tightly hold the other end and start twisting it in this manner in one direction until it is tightly twisted, and when it's done, just take out the sellotape and tie both the end and twist them. It will automatically twist up to form a twisted string in this manner. At the end, just tie a knot on the end and our twisted string is ready. We will have three such twisted strings in this manner. Isn't this pretty? We will take one string, fold it and then start twisting it in this form. In the same manner, start twisting it in one direction and finally fold it and tie a knot on one end and fold it to form the loop. We will place it on top. So at first, take fabric glue and stick one end of the three strings. We are actually sticking all the three strings together. Cut out the top portion and take the small twisted string. This is going to be the loop which will be attached to the jewelry locket, and stick it to the three strings that we made earlier in this manner. And now we will take a black colored embroidery floss and stick it to that loop portion and start wrapping up in this manner. This will give a very classy look and neaten up the process. So we will quickly wrap up this top portion, and at the end we will cut out the embroidery floss and stick the end. When you have got desired thickness, just cut out the embroidery floss and stick the end of the thread. You can see I have prepared another same thing. That is, I made three twisted strings and attached them. I have made a black color twisted string, only the length of this one is bigger. For this I took 140 centimeter long thread and took three such strings and twisted them in the same manner as I did earlier. So we will take one end of that black color twisted string and stick them to the three strings in this manner on the top portion, and in the same manner we will take a thread and start wrapping up. We will wrap up the top portion with red color and the bottom portion with black color for the contrasting effect. Since in the top portion we have black colored string, so I chose to wrap up the top portion with red color, and the bottom portion has got red string, so I will wrap up that portion with black color. It will really create a very contrasting effect and make it look more beautiful. When you have got your desired thickness, just cut out the embroidery floss and stick the end with the fabric glue in this manner. Now we will be taking the black colored embroidery floss and start wrapping up the lower portion in this manner. We will start wrapping up, and in the same manner, when you have reached your desired thickness, just cut out the embroidery floss and stick it. We will do the same thing on the other end also, and I will show you that too. So one side is done, we will do the same thing on the other side quickly. And when it's done, the main dory is now prepared. We will now take a thread bead. I prepared this myself, and there is also a tutorial in my channel, so check it out. We will pass the top black colored string through the bead in this manner, and finally we will prepare the tassel. For the tassel, we will take a few strands of red colored embroidery floss and wrap it around the black colored string and tie a knot in this manner. So the tassel is formed. We will neaten up this tassel by attaching a black colored embroidery floss in that knot portion. That will really make it look more beautiful. We will stick the loose end with fabric glue around the tassel in this manner, and finally we will just take a black colored embroidery floss and wrap it around the tassel by sticking it using the fabric glue. So this step will prevent the tassel from moving around the string, so it will keep the tassel in one position. So when you have got the desired thickness of the wrapping portion, just cut out the thread and stick it with the fabric glue. At the end, just neaten up your tassel by cutting out the edge or the ends of the tassel, make it uniform. First comb it using any comb, and then cut out the lower portion. It should be uniform. So finally our beautiful adjustable back dory is ready. For a beautiful necklace, the dory should also be designer, and I think this is really pretty and really cool. This will change your entire jewelry look. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy for you to follow. I will bring more such back dory designs and I hope you will like those too. So if you like this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section if you like this, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will make those for you. Thank you and have a great day, and please subscribe to my channel.